In this video, we are going to take a look at arrays. Now let's look at it. First, I'm going to include stdio, standard input and output. And then we are going to create a function that is integer main void and a curly bracket. Inside of this one, I'm going to create the array integer array, and I'm going to input 4 elements. And let's put 4 elements: 4, 1, 8, 2. So here I have 4 elements. Now I want to display, if I want to display this one on a screen, I can give the printf statement like this: printf, and I'm gonna name the first one as index 0 because that's the index. Because when you have arrays, okay, let me close this one here, close curly bracket and a semicolon. And when you have array, it starts from index 0. The first value is index 0, then index 1, index 2, index 3. So index 0 should be printing 4. So let's name this one as index 0, and then to print the value, we're going to put %d, since that's an integer type of variable. So, and then \n for the new line. And we want to print the first value here. So to bring the first value in the array, I put array. That's the name we gave for the array right here, is small arr. And then put 0 for the first value, and then semicolon. Okay, so we are going to do this for all the indexes. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it 3 more times. Okay, this is index 1 I want to print right here, index 2 I want to print right here, and then index 3 right here. We do the same thing for this one as well: 1, 2, and then 3. And then you can also put return 0 here, return 0, and that's the end. Now let's go and run this one and see if we are getting it right. I'm just gonna name it as a, okay, you can see index 0 printing out the 4, index 1 is printing out the 1, index 2 is printing out the 8, index 3 is printing out the 2. That's what we want. That's what we expected. Now we can try some other things, like we can get the input from the user and print it as well. To get the input from the user, first I'm gonna get rid of this, or cut this one and put it here. We may use this later. So I'm just gonna, okay, forget about it for now. I'm gonna get the input from the user and change the values. Let's try 2 values. So I'm just gonna erase 2 of them. And to print out arrays, I'm going to put printf statement, and then in this one I'm going to ask some input from the user. So input number 1, and this is going to ask the input from the user is the prompt. And to get the input from the user, we have to use the scanf statement. And the user input we want is a integer type of variable, so I put a %d for that. And then to get the first value, we put array 0. To save it to memory, we put ampersand sign. 0. And we do the same thing for the second number as well. Input number 2, 1, and that's it. Now let's try this one. Build and run. Okay, this one should be small. Yeah. Okay, you know what? No, we want to do a print statement to print the number. Index 0, percentage P, \n. உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிவிடலாம் நான் ஓகே பேங்க்ல தாங்க போட்டு அனுப்பி தாங்க போட்டு அனுப்பு தாங்க Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, there's an error again. This should be small error. Okay, let's put the first number 9, 8, 9, 8, and this one is index 1. Okay, let's build and run 9 and then 8. Now you can see the number is replaced with 9 and 8 because the computer goes with the chronological order, like it goes from top to bottom. So first it reads this, and we have elements, the first element with 4 and the second element with 1. But when the user input, it's gonna replace that one with a new value. So it's gonna be there like this. And if I try 2 more of them, like Control C, Control V. Let's put 3 and then let's put 4. Let's change this one into, okay, this one is 2, and then this one is 3, and this one is 2, and this one is 3. Okay, we build and run. Again, let's put some random value. Now you can see we are getting the first number to be 7 and 8. The others are 0 because we don't have anything else right here. So that's why it's giving the value of 0. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.